Hi, Chris back again. This is number 200 or number 2 of the 200 by 200 sheet metal video. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here, so we'll move my wheelie mouse up, and we're going to create a little square here. The square is down from the top 40, and then the square is 80 by 80. So I'm going to use offset. So I pick on offset, and it says specify offset distance, which is 40. Enter, and so I pick on 40. Pick on the top line, sorry, and then move the mouse down and pick, and then I go escape and it's go offset, and I'm going to type in 80 as a distance and hit enter because it's 80 in from the left hand side. So I pick on that, move the mouse to the left and go like that, and then what I need to do is extend that line up. So on the right of the trim there's a down arrow, so I pick on extend and thank you, and so now I've got extend. So I right hand click in the black and I pick on the top end of that line, and that extends that line. So now I can go back to my offset, type in distance 40, hit enter, pick on the line, which side, that side, escape. It actually should be 80, so I can just go U, enter to undo, redo if it undoes too many, and then go back to my offset, type in 80, hit enter, pick on the line on this side, enter, it's still at 80, still an offset, so I can pick on that line, come down this side, hit escape to get out of it, go up to trim, pick on trim, right hand click in the black, that's extend not trim, just make sure I hit the down arrow, pick on trim, right hand click in the black, hover over, and as you can see when I hover over the line, little red square comes up and the line grows out. That means if I pick on it, it is actually going to work. So it's a little new thing that's happened in AutoCAD 2015 that came in. So pick on this one, trim, pick on that one, trim, hit escape. I need to fill at the corners, and the radius is 12 mil. So to fill it, at the moment the radius is 25, so I need to change that. So I type in R for radius, enter, type in 12, enter, pick on the first, pick on the second, right hand click, pick on repeat fillet, pick on that, pick on that, right hand click, pick on repeat fillet, pick on that, right hand click, pick on repeat fillet, and pick on that, and the second one, pick on that, hit escape. So now that's filleted that. Next thing we need to do is put a groove in here, and you'll do that in the next video, which is number 3.